Oof.
Oh, lights on! Oh, that's...
Preston?
Yes? Did I say you could come in?
No. Sorry. Hey, how are you?
Good. Sit down.
Yeah, I'm here for the job.
What job?
The cooking job.
Yeah.
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 So what do you cook?
About anything, really.
Like, what?
Yeah, I make coffee.
Mm-hmm.
I make local charms.
Yeah.
Lucky Charms.
Well, you wanna check out the kitchen?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, well, let's go see it.
Okay.
So this is our pantry.
Oh, that's nice.
This right here,
Yeah.
is our herbs. All right.
Uh,
Now you see this thing right there?
Yeah.
That's our cocoa, our baking cocoa.
Okay.
Ground cinnamon.
Okay.
Baker's Corner, baking soda. Saran wrap on there. Sweeper right there. Smack and cheese right there. Oregano.
Okay.
Whole cloves. That's really all we need. So,
Okay.
so let's go look at the kitchen other part. Okay. All right. Over here's our countertop. Nice and nice made. It's
Very
really
nice.
Got your, I don't know what they call this. Do you know what they call that?
that's a skillet.
Oh, skillet. Okay. Made. Clean up the washes. Okay, so we got this, and then we've got your table. You'll probably be working on this most of the time. It's a nice wood table.
Yeah.
All right. So first job I'm gonna need you to do, wash this off and make me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Boy, am I hungry. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay, we got it. Wash the counter. Make a peanut butter and jelly. I think I can do that. Well, I don't know what peanut butter and jelly is, but whatever.
Okay.
Let's go.
Get down to work here.
That's weird. What is this used for? Oh, bet I know. Probably an ice cream maker. Not bad. In the world? I don't know what they use that for. Alright, wash the counter with soap, I would guess. There we go. That's a little gross. I don't think meant for that. Probably not supposed to use that soap. French toast sticks. Soap. Okay. On to the making. Oh yes.
Jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Jello. Jello sounds like jelly. I'll go with that.
Okay. I got the jello, or jelly, or jello, whatever. Peanut butter. Peanuts and butter. Peanuts. Salted roasted peanuts.
Good. These are good peanuts for peanut butter. Very sure.
Butter. Okay. Jello. Get the jelly. The jelly open. Oh, that's cool. Strong though. Oh my goodness. Never ending bag.
Wow. Looks a little powdery though. Alright. Hands are so free from that butter. Oh no! Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Well, I got the peanuts out, I guess. No. Just put some peanuts in there and mix. I feel like I need more jello than this. I mean, to make the jello into the jelly, you need probably more. Add a few peanuts too. Okay, let's get some more jelly. Peanuts everywhere. Jello, more jello. Jello. Oh! Perfect. This ought to make it. Should be. Oh. Yes. Jello. Alright. Oh, not the bag. Oh, wow, that stuff is strong. Oh my goodness, this is a tough one. Alright. Oh no! Oh no! Man, uh-oh, that was not empty. Alright, one more should do. That'll be for the next meal. Oh! Oh man! I'm making a total mess of this. It's sort of fun though. Wait. Okay. Let's see. I need a drink. These peanuts are all over the floor. Alright. I'm refreshed so I can finish my job. Sure. Oh! Ah. Ooh, ouch. Okay, let's finish this job before I hurt myself. Okay, Jello, butter, peanuts. Let's see. Add the butter into there. Put the empty bowl there. Yes. Where's that spoon? Hey, what? Whatever. Piece of that. Wow, that Jello stuff is strong. I think I need some more peanuts in here. Maybe get some of that little shell, I think. It's 8:51. Oh my goodness. I'm so hungry.
Finally, you're here. I've been waiting. I've been waiting.
Yeah, sorry. Here's peanut butter and jelly.
In a bowl?
Yeah. I mean, why? Where do you have peanut butter and jelly?
On a plate?
You want me to put it on a plate? No.
I'm just hungry now. I could eat it anyway.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well,
Yeah.
thanks for making it. I bet this is gonna be delicious.
Yeah.
What is this?
That's peanut butter and jelly.
Did I say you could come in? Ready?
I cook coffee. I do cereal, specialty local culture.
Alright, so over here.
Didn't even think about it. Kevin, stop! Cut it in half. Ugh. Butter and the Jello stuff. Are you kidding me? Got it. Okay. Mom? Get it. Okay. Okay, get out.